In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your Calendly meetings for a physical location. So all you have to do is basically, either create a meeting here. I'm going to do that. For example, let's say I want to organize a conference or whatever it is. And just click, for example, the group option here. And you can go ahead and basically fill in all the details. I'm going to leave this with the name new meeting. Let's say new meeting in Texas, for example, right? And I'm going to say this is going to be a 1 hour meeting, right? And the availability, I'm going to just leave it as is. You can always change that. But for the location, you can click the drop down here and click in person. So in person mean that it's going to be a physical location. So you can click here, then you can fill in the location. So as you can see, there's an example, and I'm going to just say, for example, Texas, and I would say arena. I don't know if something like that available, but let's call it like that. And yeah, you can put whatever additional location that you want, and you can add a note. So you can just fill in whatever note. You can just say, take your ID and come 1 hour before the start of the meeting, for example, something like that. Yeah, and that's it. So you can fill in whatever. You can set even the invitee limits if you want to. I'm gonna just change that to, let's say, 2,000, for example, and click and create, and that's it. So that's how you go ahead and change your meeting to a physical location in Calendly.